Hello, innovators and tech enthusiasts. You're watching top trending AI agent projects this week. Today we're unraveling the cutting edge of artificial intelligence, focusing on projects that let you build, manage, and deploy truly intelligent agents. We'll explore BrickCoder AI for visual agent design, CatDoes bringing app ideas to life with conversational AI teams, and Incerto, your proactive AI database copilot. Get ready to witness how Mastra makes agent creation intuitive and how HumanLayer puts you in charge of their actions. Let's dive into the future of autonomous systems.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Build modular AI agents with drag-and-drop blocks. BrickCoder AI brings a fresh and clever approach to building AI agents by letting you piece together back-end, front-end, and logic, just like snapping together Lego bricks with zero complexity. Thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop block interface, you can visually design AI behaviors, connect APIs, databases, or cloud services seamlessly without wrestling with lines of code. What sets this tool apart is how effortlessly it bridges different layers of development. You define your agent's goals using simple blocks, then connect the pieces, front-end interactions, back-end data flows, or external AI models, and BrickCoder weaves them into a working system. Once the flow is ready, you can export clean, readable code or deploy instantly, sidestepping messy manual integration. It also offers serious flexibility through its extensive ecosystem of pre-built modules. Want to automate customer support? There are blocks for inbox routing, response generation, and tagging. Need content workflows? Generate blog drafts, social posts, or marketing copy automatically. Want data automation? The platform can clean, transform, and analyze data from multiple sources. BrickCoder supports e-commerce flows too, managing orders, inventory, payment, and customer communication, all through drag-and-drop components. Beyond that, it integrates effortlessly with popular tools and services. Whether it's Stripe for payments, Salesforce or HubSpot for CRM, Slack or Discord for messaging, or AWS and Vercel for deployment, BrickCoder wraps it all into your agent pipelines without extra effort. In short, BrickCoder AI is unique because it transforms the complex task of building AI agents into a visual modular experience. No code required, yet everything remains powerful and deployable. It's a smart, approachable platform that unites logic, service integrations, and automation into one unified flow. Project number 2. Web to MCP. Capture real web components and send them straight to your AI assistant. Web to MCP stands out because it removes the guesswork from turning real web designs into code. Instead of describing what a button or form looks like, you can simply click any element on a live website, and it instantly becomes available inside AI coding tools like Cursor or Claude Code. Your AI assistant sees the actual structure and style, not blurry screenshots or vague descriptions, which means what you ask for is exactly what you get. The key transformation here is seamless integration. A lightweight Chrome extension connects directly to your AI tool via the Model Context Protocol, MCP, so you don't waste time copying, re-explaining, or reconstructing. Hover over a component, click to capture, and the actual UI data, including HTML, CSS, and layout context, flows straight into your editor. What makes this truly unique is the speed and accuracy of the workflow. Development that might have taken 30 minutes from design mockup to coded element can now be achieved in just 30 seconds. You reduce miscommunication and ensure pixel-perfect accuracy because the AI is seeing the real thing. It also bridges the long-standing designer-developer gap. Designers and developers can work from the same visual component inside their AI environments, so everyone's literally on the same page, no misaligned expectations or inconsistent styles. And under the hood, it uses the Model Context Protocol to automatically shape captured components into meaningful tools for AI assistants. This means Cursor or Claude Code recognize them right away and can generate accurate prompts or code, no manual formatting required. All in all, Web to MCP is unique because it transforms live web components into AI-ready tools in one click, maintaining perfect fidelity and supercharging your front-end workflow with clarity, speed, and real-world accuracy. Project number 3. Sidekick. Automations built by chat, not complexity. Sidekick stands out for making automation accessible to everyone. No complex setup or manual tinkering required. The magic is in the chat interface. You simply describe what you want automated, and Sidekick instantly builds a workflow that appears visually on the canvas. You don't need to fuss with drop-downs or flowcharts. Everything happens naturally as you type. What really makes Sidekick unique is how it transforms words into actions. Say you need to sync emails to a spreadsheet, summarize your calendar, or manage leads. Just describe it and a working pipeline pops up. Then you click Run to execute or set a schedule to automate your routine. The platform integrates smoothly with your everyday tools: Gmail, Google Calendar, Docs, Sheets, Notion, Slack, HubSpot, Linear, and beyond. That means you can build useful automations that tap directly into the apps you already rely on. Another standout feature is how Sidekick handles errors. Unlike traditional tools where mistakes can leave workflows broken or stuck, Sidekick catches and manages errors automatically, so your automations run smoothly without babysitting. If you're unsure where to start, Sidekick offers ready-made templates that you can customize through chat. Templates include things like syncing Gmail with Sheets, sending calendar summaries to Slack, pulling HubSpot pipeline insights, or drafting email responses. Everything tailored on the fly as you talk with it. Compared to older automation tools, Sidekick's chat-driven approach stands as its defining feature. Traditional platforms often require manual construction, steep learning, or coding. Sidekick flips that script. Build logic in minutes, iterate with natural language, and automate faster than ever before. In summary, Sidekick excels because it replaces complexity with conversation, turning ideas into automated results through a simple chat. It brings efficiency and clarity back to automation, empowering anyone to build powerful workflows fast and effortlessly. Project number 4, Receiptor AI. Turn email chaos into clean, accountant-ready reports. Receiptor AI stands out because it makes one of the most tedious parts of running a business disappear: finding and organizing receipts. It does this automatically, pulling receipts, bills, and invoices from your emails, WhatsApp messages, or bulk uploads, and turns them into neat categorized records that are instantly ready for your accountant or accounting software. You don't have to do a thing. What really makes Receiptor unique is how it works both backward and forward, scanning past emails to recover every receipt you ever missed, while also monitoring new messages in real time. Imagine turning years' worth of paperwork into a structured, searchable system, all without lifting a finger. Receiptor dives deep into the data too. It doesn't just grab files, it extracts key information like purchase amounts, dates, vendor names, tax details, and even dispute deadlines, then smartly categorizes everything in context, not just by guessing keywords. Connectivity is another area where Receiptor shines. It syncs seamlessly with popular accounting platforms such as Xero or QuickBooks, sends clean PDFs, CSVs, or zips to Google Drive, and supports multiple email accounts across providers like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Great for freelancers, accountants, and business owners alike. Global users rejoice. It handles any currency and language, making it perfect for international operations. The visual dashboards and real-time expense analytics deliver instant insights so you can understand your spending faster than traditional accounting methods ever allowed. Receiptor AI is built on real pain points. It was created after hearing how people dread digging for receipts or tracing invoices, especially during tax time. Now thousands of businesses and accountants rely on it to automate the grind and reclaim their time. In short, Receiptor AI is unique because it automates the full life cycle of receipt and invoice management, past, present, and future, with precision, simplicity, and powerful integrations. It's bookkeeping turned autopilot, effortless, accurate, and ready for action. Project number 5, CatDoes. Bring your app ideas to life just by talking. CatDoes stands out because it turns simple words into native mobile apps. No code, no complexity, just natural conversation. You describe your idea in plain language, and a team of specialized AI agents takes over. One figures out what features your app needs, another designs the screens, another builds the functionality, and a final one prepares the app for release on the App Store or Google Play. What truly makes CatDoes unique is how it packages the app development journey as a seamless chat. You don't need templates or drag-and-drop workflows. Just tell it what you want, and it creates a live preview you can try instantly in your browser or on your phone by scanning a QR code. Plus, it supports back-end integration through Supabase, letting your app handle authentication, storage, and logic, all configured through conversation. Another standout is the idea of instances. Each major change you make becomes a checkpoint, like a version control for non-developers. You can branch off, experiment, and roll back anytime. Safe, flexible iteration, and the platform stays up to date. Agents can update your app for new OS versions as easily as starting a new conversation. Speed and ease are central to CatDoes' power. What could take weeks or months can now happen in hours, from concept to working app. It's a refreshingly straightforward approach for founders, business owners, designers, or anyone with an idea but no coding skill. CatDoes also offers a free plan that lets you build one app and try the magical process yourself, plus paid tiers for more apps, credits, and export options. In short, CatDoes is unique because it replaces complexity with clarity. Your language goes in, your app comes out. It's app building at the speed of talk, with checkpoints to backtrack, mobile native results to test instantly, and an intelligent pipeline that handles design, logic, backend, and publishing, all without code. If you've ever dreamt of turning your idea into a real app without writing a single line, CatDoes makes it as easy as saying it. Project number 6, Bhava. Create smart diagrams in seconds. From text, images, or AI. Bhava is an AI-powered diagramming assistant that turns your ideas into polished visuals instantly, and that is what makes it unique. Whether you type a description, drop a sketch, or paste a whiteboard photo, Bhava understands your intent and builds a draft diagram for you. Flowcharts, cloud architecture, UML, ERDs, sequence diagrams, network maps, org charts, mind maps, hardware schematics, you name it, and Bhava supports it almost instantly. What really stands out is how Bhava adds smart layout and connectivity, so you don't waste time nudging boxes into place. AI handles the positioning and connectors for you. It also automatically recognizes the icons you need, AWS, GCP, Azure, Kubernetes, and places them appropriately when interpreting diagrams from images. Another standout is convenience and compatibility. You can import existing diagrams from Draw.io or Mermaid, and Bhava retains layers, groups, and styles intact, then export your updated version as PNG or SVG with no lock-in. That makes it incredibly flexible, whether you're starting fresh or enhancing existing diagrams. People from product management to engineering love how fast and intuitive it is. One lead engineer shared how Bhava cut system architecture work from hours to mere minutes. A product manager says the AI understands exactly what's needed every time, and another user explained how sketching ideas and updating diagrams in real time has become their favorite way to organize thoughts and move faster on projects. Bhava shines through its combination of lightning-fast generation, intuitive layout intelligence, icon recognition, seamless import/export, and universally applicable diagram styles. That makes it a powerful tool for anyone who needs to communicate complex ideas visually, without delays or manual fuss. Project number 7, Incerto. The AI database copilot that fixes problems before you even notice. Incerto is unique because it's not just another assistant. It's a proactive copilot built for databases, designed to think, monitor, and act like your most trusted DBA. Unlike tools that simply translate text to SQL, Incerto deeply understands your database's structure, workload, and performance context to deliver real, actionable outcomes. What makes Incerto stand out is its full-stack, context-aware approach. It runs inside your own infrastructure, no sending sensitive data to external servers, and uses human-in-the-loop workflows to catch and resolve issues before they impact users. That means security, transparency, and reliability, all in one package. Engineers love how much time it saves. It's reported to boost productivity by up to 10 crems, reduce manual workload by 90%, create queries 12 crems faster, and cut task time by 70%. It anticipates inefficient queries, potential cluster failures, and performance bottlenecks by continuously checking over 100 predefined issues, then runs verified fixes automatically, sometimes even before you're aware of a problem. One of its most clever features is the text-to-task model, not just generating SQL, but executing complete tasks like schema changes, indexing, and data migrations based on natural language requests, all grounded in real-time database context. Plus, it offers visual dashboards for performance monitoring, alert remediation, and insights, giving you clarity instead of code overload. In short, Incerto doesn't just assist with databases, it becomes your embedded AI teammate. It's safe, efficient, contextually smart, and continuously protects and optimizes your systems. That's what makes it more than a tool. It's a game-changing foundation for database teams. Project number 8, Ghost, the clean content-first publishing platform that powers writers and creators. Ghost stands out because it focuses entirely on content, making publishing smooth, elegant, and powerful, without the clutter of general-purpose CMS platforms. It's built from the ground up for professional writers, bloggers, and publishers who want to create, share, and earn from their work with as little friction as possible. What makes Ghost truly unique is how it blends simplicity with sophistication. The writing experience is calming and distraction-free. The editor stays out of your way until you need it, then offers powerful tools that let you focus on storytelling, not formatting. On top of that, Ghost supports email newsletters and paid subscriptions natively, meaning you can build and monetize an audience directly. No external plugins, no steep learning curves. It's like having your blog and newsletter tools merged into one seamless dashboard. Under the hood, Ghost is powered by Node.js, giving it speed and modern architecture advantages over legacy systems. That means your site loads fast, scales smoothly, and stays reliable. Plus, it can be used standalone or as a headless CMS, giving creators full control over how their content is delivered, whether with custom front ends or popular frameworks. Another standout is Ghost's open source nature and community, managed by the Ghost Foundation, backed by thousands of contributors and living under the MIT license. Ghost stays transparent, secure, and continuously improving. Even though it controls a small slice of the CMS market share, it's embraced by serious publishers who value performance, longevity, and control. All in all, Ghost is unique because it refuses to be a jack of all trades. It's a polished, performance-first platform focused purely on publishing, combining sleek writing, built-in monetization, speed, and modern flexibility. For anyone serious about sharing stories or building a subscription business, Ghost offers a refined, powerful home for their ideas. Project number 9, NoteWave Smart Meeting Transcription, Summaries and Insights in Any Language. NoteWave stands out because it doesn't just record meetings, it transforms them into perfectly organized, insightful resources on the fly. It captures audio from live sessions or uploaded files, automatically produces clear transcripts with speaker separation, and then packages those into intelligent summaries and actionable takeaways. What makes NoteWave truly unique is its broad multilingual coverage. It supports over 99 languages, including South African tongues like Afrikaans, Zulu, and Xhosa, handling diverse accents accurately. That means teams around the world can rely on NoteWave for precise transcription, no matter the language spoken. Beyond transcription, NoteWave goes deeper with AI-generated insights. It highlights critical discussion topics, surfaces action items, and synthesizes meeting themes to keep everyone aligned and focused. It's not just about capturing what's said, it's about understanding what matters and turning conversation into progress. NoteWave works seamlessly across platforms, whether your meeting is happening live via Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, or you're uploading a recording, flexibility is baked in. It also emphasizes security and trust. Data is protected with AES 25.6 encryption, adheres to SOC 2 Type 2 standards, and is built with a zero-trust architecture, so your sensitive discussions stay secure. To enhance collaboration, NoteWave gives you a live editing workspace, smart notifications, and productivity dashboards, so your team stays synchronized long after the meeting ends. In short, NoteWave shines by combining real-time transcription, multilingual accuracy, AI-powered summaries, and strong security, all in a platform tailored for collaboration and global use. It's a smart assistant that ensures no detail is lost, and every meeting drives value forward. Project number 10, SpatialChat. When virtual conversation feels like real life, SpatialChat flips the usual video meeting on its head by making digital interaction feel naturally human. Here, you navigate a visual space filled with avatars, and as you and your avatar move closer to others, the audio and video of those nearby become clearer. That means conversations flow spontaneously, just like at a real gathering, without everyone being forced to either mute or broadcast at full volume. What sets SpatialChat apart is not just the immersion, but the customizability and flexibility behind it. You can design fully branded environments, from room layouts and themes to logos and backgrounds, so virtual events, classes, or offices reflect your identity and style. And it's not just about looks. The platform supports spatial audio that adjusts as you move, plus seamless integrations with tools like Miro boards, Google Docs, quizzes, slides, and more, keeping everything available in one place. Whether you're hosting a webinar for up to 10,000 people or building a cozy virtual office, SpatialChat scales with ease. Its room types, breakout for group chats, stage for presentations, and workplace for collaboration, help tailor experiences based on how people engage. Imagine attendees drifting from conversation to presentation to quiet co-working, all in one flowing, intuitive space. This platform also earns trust through its commitment to security and privacy, with enterprise-level protections like SOC 2 Type 2 compliance and end-to-end encryption, so creators can feel safe hosting sensitive content or confidential meetings. In short, SpatialChat stands out by making the virtual personal again, spontaneous, customizable, and real. It transforms remote events, workshops, office days, and classrooms into interactive, expressive experiences. And that concludes our deep dive into this week's most innovative AI agent projects. We've seen the power of BrickCoder AI's drag-and-drop approach to agent building, how CatDoes transforms your ideas into native apps with its AI team, and how Incerto acts as a vigilant database co-pilot, anticipating and fixing issues. From Mastra's flexible agent frameworks to HumanLayer's crucial human-in-the-loop oversight and Open SWE's autonomous coding capabilities, these projects are truly groundbreaking. If you found this exploration exciting, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and keep building the future with AI.